With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question here says that the arms attain their proportionate size in human beings. So there are four options given. First says soon after the birth, age of 2 years, 10 years of age and 14 years of age. So here we see that in the initial stages of the life, the head is also disproportionate. That means head is approximately 1/4 of the whole body. So as the body grows out, the head will become 1/7 of the whole body in case of adult. So 1/7. So this 1/4 is in case of a newborn, whereas 1/7 is in case of an adult. So similarly, there is disproportion occurring in the arms as well as the legs. So legs will attain the right size at the 10 years of age. So this is for the legs, whereas arms, because of their more growth spurt, what will happen? They will be soon after the birth proportionately growing as compared to the body. So here we can mark option number 1 as the right answer for this question, whereas the other options here can be marked as the wrong one. So let's mark option 1 as the correct answer. This is all about this query. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.